My kitchen, this is Gil with Fit2Byou with again another healthy recipe. This is a recipe loosely based on my mother-in-law Judith Garcia's chicken piccata on cauliflower rice. We don't buy frozen, we make everything fresh here. So we got 2 heads of cauliflower which I chopped, take it off the stem, clean it, and then we process it. Chicken, we get organic chicken. My wife loves everything organic. We're trying to do better, healthier recipes. It will be a little more expensive, but in the long run, you don't have all those chemicals and pesticides and things that you're ingesting. Anyway, you want your chicken to be room temperature, thinly sliced. And then I show in the video all the ingredients. Now, I don't have the exact amounts to put in. It is to taste. Sorry, I know my wife's been getting on me to start measuring as I put it in, but it is to taste. The olive oil is about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Sea salt is about a tablespoon of sea salt. The ginger is just a shake of ginger. I love garlic, so you can put as much garlic as you like. The lemon juice, again, too. The lemon juice, you have to be careful because you don't want to be too sharp, too bitter. And then the capers, I love capers, so I just put all the capers in. Kind of mix it around, let that sit and soak while you prepare the cauliflower. And then you're going to make cauliflower just like you make rice, okay? You don't want to cover it. That's why I made a mistake in the video. You'll see. Don't cover it. You want the steam to kind of evaporate some of the water that's in the bottom because it is a vegetable which has moisture within it. Once you start seeing the steam come up, then you lower the temperature, cover it, and let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. So with no further ado, here is the video on how to make cauliflower rice with chicken piccata. Healthy option, a rice option. We do is get a little cauliflower, clean it, stem it, throw it in your food processor. So make sure you don't overdo it because you don't want to juice it. And this is the result of what it should look like. Nice and fine, but not too fine, so it runs through your fingers. What you're going to do is you're going to, not like regular rice, you don't want to completely cover it because you're going to basically steam it, all right? So you're going to put about a cup of water for 2 heads of cauliflower, and then a little olive oil, salt to taste. And I will show you what happens afterwards. You're going to see the results. Thanks. As a continuation, I am doing a lemon chicken, kind of a twist on my mother-in-law's famous chicken piccata. So we got chicken, thinly sliced. We have some organic garlic squeeze. Again, Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of olive oil. I use a little bit of organic ginger, ground ginger. Some lemon juice, and then of course some organic capers, which I finished out. There it is. And mix it together, kind of let it sit for a little bit so the chicken can soak it up. Mix it in. My wife, my beautiful wife, is cutting out some peppers, so we're gonna look at that, beautiful julienned peppers, and we're gonna add that to the mix once it starts cooking. And here we go. Now, you don't have to add olive oil to the pan because it's already in the chicken. But I'm going to add it and I'm going to start cooking, and I'm going to show you the process. Process. I got it medium. Stop it. Stop it. And you check you got some pieces. Okay, now we're looking good. Hit it again. And that should about do it. Release. And there you go. Beautiful. Don't want to lose any of that. And that's what you get. Not gonna let any of that go to waste. So there I go. Got a little scooper. Scoop the rest down on the bottom. I'm gonna get everything out. So like I said, I'm gonna get about a cup of water to place in there, and then we're gonna cover it, season it to taste, a little olive oil, and then I'm gonna let it cook for probably about 15-20 minutes, okay? Here we go, add some water. And again, you don't have to add too much because it is a vegetable and already has water in it, so when you cook it, that's basically so it doesn't stick too much to the bottom, it doesn't burn, because with the heat it's going to create more steam and it will soak in. I'm going to add a little salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, just a smidge, and then a little olive oil, organic of course. So that's it. I'll mix it up so it gets nice and coated all the way around. Okay, I had to correct myself because of the amount of cauliflower. I actually had to add a little bit more, just so it, like I said, it just kind of coats the bottom. We don't want over it because it's not going to absorb too much. There we go. So now I'm going to put it on a medium heat. And just like rice, cover it and watch it, and we'll see the finished product. I may have put a little too much water, but that's fine. I have this little strainer right here. I put it in the strainer, took some of it out, and I put it back in the pot. And you can see there's a lot of steam. What you want to do is remove the cover and just continue to mix it. Just continue to mix it until it becomes nice and loose, just like rice. And we are just about done. See? There's your cauliflower rice. Beautiful. And here is your chicken piccata. Okay, I'm going to plate this and show you the results. Here is the plated result. Got your chicken on top. You got your peppers mixed in with garlic and your capers, your lemon sauce, a little olive oil, and your cauliflower rice. So I hope you enjoyed the little venture on how to make your healthy version of chicken piccata with steamed cauliflower rice. My video, I did get a little ahead of myself, a little overzealous. When preparing the cauliflower, you don't want to cover it. Like rice you don't cover it while it's boiling because you want the water to drop down, just covering the top of it where you can see the little bubbles kind of expanding. Mix it and then cover. But with cauliflower rice, what you want to do is stay with that 1 cup. I did get ahead of myself. Stay with just the 1 cup for the 2 cauliflower, and then you have to continue to mix it, okay? Because you don't want it to stick. That's why you add the olive oil and the sea salt. Mix it, the sea salt to taste. Mix it and keep on mixing it. Once you see it starts steaming, then you're going to lower the temperature and then you cover it, and you should let it sit for like about 10 to 15 minutes. And again, if you like these videos and you want to see more coming, you have any questions or comments, comment below. If you have any recipes you'd like me to try, I will do them for you. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.